We're out here on Broad Street. The Birds just won the Super Bowl.
Go Birds!
Are you going to school tomorrow?
I don't know.
Is he going to school tomorrow?
No, he ain't making it.
February 9th, 2025. Jalen Hurts. He put Saquon in a fucking backpack and took that to the
I just want to say two things. Go fucking Birds and Patrick Mahomes is a Patrick Mahomes, 2 picks, Cooper DeJean to the crib. Oh yeah!
It's turned into a pillow fight.
Bird gang motherfucker. Bird gang motherfucker. I took my bird harder last night. Hold on.
Go Birds, cat!
City is going bananas. We are going crazy. We have celebrated. We are celebrating. And let's go Birds!
We're smoking on that one.
Smoking on that Chiefs.
We're smoking on Andy Reid's fat. It's officially crazy. Go Birds! Ah! Yes, sir. Eagle!
That's the Mahomes back.
I quit my job to be here.
You quit your job.
I quit my job to be here.
What were you doing?
AT&T.
AT&T.
Portnoy, what up?
Buy jail stool.